Hi students, today we have come up with we are going to find the font for this champions text for our design work. This video will be only limited to finding font for design, and this is just a demo font finding for education purpose, so don't worry. We are going to learn the process of finding font from a photo where it's very complicated. If it was like this one, if it was like this one, then it was very easy to find the font. But this is, first of all, this design is not easy to find. As you can see, there is a cut within the I and O, and also it's a verb and a lot more things here. So how can we find this font or similar to this font? So now the game starts. First of all, we have to go to window, image trace, and first of all we will try to keep it black and white. If it works, and it almost works, so I'm just taking it and just expand it, and now just ungroup and take all the letters by pressing shift button. Take all the letters by pressing shift button. So we have taken this like this, and now we have to cut out the extra parts with the pen tool, with the help of pen tool. This font finding is for complicated designs, complicated letters, and this is not related to normal font finding. Whenever you don't know how to find font, you have to follow this process. I'm just completing the letters possibly. As much as possible, complete it. No need to be 100% perfect. Just complete what you feel. And after that, once you have done everything, just I'm trying to cut out all the letters. That's why I'm drawing lines with the pen tool, and just divide and ungroup. And now again do the same thing. Select all the letters from here, and we have to unite them. Unite everything. And as you can see, we have still some more thing to cut with the pen tool, help of pen tool. You just see the design, just see the font finding process. This will help you a lot, I think. Again do the same things, and divide and ungroup. And now just select all the letters here firstly, and then just take it out. this will look like this. Unite it, and if possible, select one by one and keep it simplified so that it looks like more clean as its stressed version. If you can simplify it from here, or you can also simplify it by object path and simplify. So I have done it, and now you can see this is a little warp. There is no need of extra wave. You can also cut it with the shape builder and shift alt and left click. And it's almost good to go, and you can see there is no need of these extra shapes. So I will cut out all the things that seems to me not good or not perfect, and then I will just unite it and go to effect warp. As it's warped, so I have to go to effect warp and just select anyone, and then see it's similar to arc. So I have to make it a little. As you can see, this is the previous version, and now we have to press Ctrl R to keep a ruler so that it comes with this line effect warp, and we have to go to this arc. As you can see, this arc is similar to that, and now we have to adjust it. Just trying to keep it within the line. Again, click on this by going to the appearance and warp arc, and once it's done, you can see that it's much better, and just unite it. Sorry, just expand it firstly and then unite it, and it's much closer to normal text, but still it needs some adjustments. So let's work on it and go to appearance and try to adjust as much as possible, and okay. Again, go to object, expand appearance, and now it's much better, and we can go with this also, and we can also adjust something if we need, but I don't feel it needs anything more. But let's try if we can do object, go to object warp arc, and as this as like this, we have to make it straight. So just expand, okay, object, expand appearance, and now we can cut out all the unnecessary parts from below by with the line tool and shape builder tool and shift alt left click. We can also do the same thing for the upper part, but we don't need that. I am okay with this, and just fill with the color, and take a screenshot with the snipping tool or any tool you have. I'm just using snipping tool, and just copy the image, and let's go back to the what the font myfonts.com/pages what the font, and paste here by pressing Ctrl V. And after that, you will this will automatically detect and identify font, and this is how you can find similar fonts, and this will suggest us the similar fonts here. And as you can see, it has already suggested one similar font to this Badlock regular. We can use that also, and we can see other designs which is similar to that, uh, other fonts which is similar to that, and you can easily select from here. But if you let me compare you with the another image, this sorry, I have lost that image. So I'm going to use that image from my PC, and just upload, and you can see the same text available here. We have started from here, and you can see that champions is the same text we have started from in the earlier video. And if we identify font from here, you will see that we will really find the font. As you can see, there is no similar fonts. So how can we find that font? And that is what we taught you here with the Adobe Illustrator. So let's just go back to the page and just paste our image that we did from here, and this time we will find a similar font like Padlock Regular. As you can see, this is much similar to the font we have selected. We can also change the pages, and there are a lot more pages, and we can find the font and just buy it. Thank you so much for watching this video till here. Hopefully this will help you so much.